Cheer whānau, welcome back to the development of our murder mystery VR game called Urupa. Last week I was nearly able to finalise the floor plan of the house, and I was able to work on the relationship between our two main characters, our Kuia and Hopara. If you are caught in her line of sight, she will stun Hopara by thrusting her walking stick into the floor. Alongside that, she will also shine her lantern straight into your eyes and will start mouthing a karakia. Now, over the years, Kuia has lost her voice and she is now mute, so she uses a bell to get attention, and this is also what she uses to put Hopara into a trance when he's trying to escape her. We thought we'd draft up the final output that we could imagine this concept of Urupa reaching. We imagined Urupa to be an anthology series that is spread over 3 seasons, all based in different cemeteries, different iwis, contexts and environments. Each season is split into 3 acts, and each of these acts has 4 episodes, which means 12 episodes a season. The episode we wanted to start with is quite obviously the pilot, the first out of all 36 episodes. So after the floor plan was at a place I was happy with, I was able to build the world around it and bring the entire scene to life. We wanted the house to have some amazing views, so we placed it lakeside at the top of a cliff face, looking out over the Southern Alps on the horizon. We wanted to build more structures surrounding the house, structures that would belong to certain characters of the story, structures that you could investigate and explore to collect items that may be able to help you. These additional surrounding structures will include the boat shed that will be built on top of the lake, the carport outside the front of the house, the tool shed that belonged to the old caretaker, and of course, last but not least, the Urupa. Having a close to final floor plan of the house and the surrounding environment, I can now start to draw some perspective views of the house on the cliff face, which will really help motion when it comes to building the ground and the actual environment in VR. I'll slowly start and chip away at draft illustrations over the course of the project, so that by the end of the project, when the Bible is due, the illustrations are ready to be presented and ready to inspire. Once again, my name is Tama. Over to you, Mosh.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Shot Tama, bringing the fire again. Your artwork is looking amazing. I can't wait to start bringing your art to 3D. Tama has also been hard at work at creating the story elements for the game. We've decided not to share these details in these videos because we want to give you guys some surprises when you eventually play the game. So, what have I been up to this week for Urupa? Let's start off with the glasses. It all started in Maya when I had to 3D model these glasses. I eventually bring it up to Unreal Engine 4 where I textured and turned them into blueprints, which pretty much means I can add functionality to them. So Tama came up with the awesome idea to use the glasses as a mechanic in the game. The mechanic is quite simple. All you need to do is bring the glasses closer towards your eyes and it restores your focus. If you do the opposite, you start to lose focus. And if you want to just put them on your head, all you gotta do is bring them closer towards your eyes. You also now have the ability to open doors with your hands. So here's the scare mechanic, showing how the glasses can be used in different ways. If you get scared, the glasses kinda realign on your face and you just have to readjust it with your hands. This has also been implemented if you get spotted in the game. If I use this dog AI as an example, if I throw a cube, the dog will come running, and then if it spots me, it will realign the glasses on my face. You want to use stealth, otherwise you get punished by losing your vision. I think this creates an interesting dynamic in the gameplay. And that does it for this week's episode. Thanks so much again for watching. We'd also like to thank everyone that supported us on last week's episode. You guys have no idea how much it inspires us to keep on creating. Thanks again, and we'll see you next week.